When power corrupts, poetry cleanses.
I made it a priority my entire career to work closely with you. From the time I got to the Senate 180 years ago.
My thanks to all of you, and now it's on to Chicago, and let's win there. Thank you.
50 years in prison for killing Robert F. Kennedy, his assassin, Sirhan, has been granted parole.
The very word secrecy is repugnant in a free and open society. And we are, as a people, inherently and historically opposed to secret society.
Senator Kennedy has been shot. Is that possible? Is that possible? It could. Is it possible, ladies and gentlemen? It is possible. He has. Not only Senator Kennedy, oh my God. Senator Kennedy has been shot. And another man, a Kennedy campaign manager, and possibly shot in the head.
There is little value in opposing the threat of a closed society by imitating its arbitrary restrictions. Even today, there is little value in ensuring the survival of our nation if our traditions do not survive with it.
A reporter for the Mutual Broadcasting System, Andy West, was in the hallway, kitchen hallway in the Ambassador Hotel last night when Senator Kennedy was shot.
And there is very grave danger that an announced need for increased security will be seized upon by those anxious to expand its meaning to the very limits of official censorship and concealment.
That Senator Kennedy was shot.
Now 53 years later, convicted killer Sirhan, who is now 77 years old, is one step closer towards release. He was recommended for parole Friday in a hearing that had no representation from the LA District Attorney's Office following sweeping criminal justice reforms by DA George Gascon.
Anthony and Sally, the judge called Hoover, quote, one of the most notorious criminals in Illinois history. Just last year, the judge did seem open to potentially letting the 70-year-old get a sentencing break. But in a rare move, U.S. Attorney John Lausch spoke out against it.
Okay, now hold on to the guy. Hold on to him. Hold on to him, ladies and gentlemen. Hold him. Hold him. We don't want another Oswald. Hold him, Rapper. We don't want another Oswald.
Like he avoided me. He was in my head and I trip every time them voices speak. Ain't choose the streets, my circumstances made that choice for me.
When power corrupts, poetry cleanses.
Everything that they can't do. Growing up, it was just hoop dreams and they